Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanna show you something. Look at this. We got this from Foot Locker. 2 pairs of shoes. Because when we get there, it's buy one get one free. So we choose these 2 pairs of shoes. NB, what's this? Let me see. NB 5740. Actually, my husband has like this type of shoes already, so that's why we know that this shoes is really great. It's very good to wear. And since it's buy one get one, I also choose similar type but different model. And here it is, the MS327. So this is it. So this is size 7 for US. Look how cool the style is. Wow, it's very nice. So for us, it's really great offer. Last time when my husband bought the first Boston Tokyo that he had, it was the regular price, so it's kind of expensive, but it's worth it because of the comfortability that you can feel when you wear it. But unfortunately, after 2 days of purchase of those shoes, I decided to exchange into another color. So different color, but it's the same model. This one, it's white Boston Tokyo 327. So instead of black, I got the white one because I think this fits me well compared to the black one. But I admit color black is very nice, very pretty. I mean, it can fit you whatever color you will wear. It looks like. Confusion regarding with these shoes, because when I search it in the internet, it said that this is for men. So that's why it leads me to try to go back to the shop and exchange it for the lady version. But when we went back into the shop, they said that it's for ladies, and I tried to argue with them because I said no, the internet said that it's for men. So what they explained to me that this is a unisex, so this can be for a lady or for men. So I checked it out. I found out that bigger sizes, those are for the men, and this one, they separate this for the unisex because this of its sizes. Like for example, this one, it's a size US 7, and when I check in men's section, the US 7 is quite bigger than this one. So I also decided to choose this white one because I think this fits me better. But I admit that I really like the color black Twin City New Balance B27 because, you know, I love to walk, and I know that this color white will get dirty easily, especially I do a very long walk every now and then. But this is also pretty. So by the way, guys, how about you? Which color would you prefer, this white one or the black one? Please let me know. Please just comment down below. And I think that's it. I'll just show you how this cool shoes looks like. And I wanna say thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you again in my other videos. Bye.